Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the MCAT without a science background. First, honestly evaluate your current knowledge across all 4 MCAT sections. Dedicate a significant portion of your study time, perhaps 60 to 70%, to mastering fundamental concepts. Think of this as building a sturdy house. You need a solid foundation. Focus on introductory biology, general chemistry, and physics to establish that essential groundwork before moving forward. Once your foundation is set, dive into comprehensive MCAT content review. Select a reputable book set that breaks down complex topics into manageable parts, often spanning 7 to 8 core subjects. Supplement these books with free online resources like Khan Academy videos for excellent explanations. Active learning is key. Create your own detailed study notes and flashcards. This process of summarizing and quizzing yourself will solidify understanding and improve retention significantly. As you progress, integrating practice questions is absolutely vital. Start doing practice problems after each major topic to apply what you've learned and identify areas needing more attention. Aim to take at least 8 to 10 full-length practice exams, simulating actual test conditions. After each exam, dedicate significant time, perhaps 5 to 6 hours, to reviewing every single question. Understanding why an answer is correct or incorrect is more valuable than just getting it right. Finally, optimize your study strategy and cultivate a resilient mindset. Create a realistic study schedule, perhaps allocating 3 to 4 hours daily for 5 to 6 days a week, covering all sections. Prioritize self-care. Getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and maintaining a healthy diet are crucial for cognitive function. The MCAT is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay positive, celebrate small victories, and trust in your consistent effort. You absolutely can achieve your goal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.